Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how the 10-inch touchscreen system is fit into Toyota Estima 2006, and this is the import model. It was with the factory radio and now we replace with the 10-inch touchscreen, and it comes with a new frame, so it actually looks like factory. Currently the system is just the standard package, which it runs with the standard packaged features from our system, and on the screen is the built-in GPS system. But soon, in about 2 weeks time, it will be upgraded to the full package. But by now we can certainly see the features of the system. Just have a look. It looks like factory with the new frame, and it looks really huge from the driver's side, and it makes the dashboard looks really modern. The camera is Full HD anti-glare Super Night Vision 1. Very simple. That's the top one that we are using, and it instantly moves up and down with the camera when we move the gear stick. So that's make it so easy to use. And yes, soon in about 2 weeks time we will come back and give this one a full upgrade of the wireless Adelaide and wireless Android Auto, and at that time we will have another video to review that thing. But at least for now we can see how nicely the 10-inch system is fit into the Toyota Estima, which also belongs into the Toyota Tarago, the same generation, so that is the one. And thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.